Hello. We're on a tour. Are you warming up?
Nope, freezing. I'm so glad I packed my scarf and hat and gloves, which are in my suitcase in the hotel.
Is that where we dropped our bags off this morning, so we won't have to carry them around? Good tour though so far. Edinburgh's beautiful.
Yes, it is very nice.
So here we are in a pub in Edinburgh called
Edinburgh?
called Amber Rose, I think. Tucked out the way. Some good beers. Some
Quite nice.
very nice beers. We've just ordered some lunch. We've done a bit of shopping, some of which we can't show you. And we bought a lush bath, which we're going to enjoy in our roll top bath later on.
Steve got upset. We looked in the Amiga shop window.
They looked at me. Woman came out. She blanked me entirely. Huge mistake. Huge.
Big mistake.
Big. Sorry, it was a big
Huge.
mistake. Big mistake. Huge.
Are you going to go back later?
I might do. Excuse me, I'm actually interested in that Seamaster. Why? Because I'm wearing one. So we've been here for 6 hours already. And I think because we got in at 7 o'clock in the morning, it feels a lot later than it is. So
It was like about 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
yeah. So I don't think today is going to be a heavy day. We're going to get the bus back, I think, up to
Finish the tour.
finish the tour.
Get back on the tour.
Back on the tour. Finish the tour. And then
Back
start.
to the hotel.
Yeah, chill out at the hotel.
Maybe have a bath.
Have a bath in the hotel.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Because we've got a lovely dinner tonight.
Yeah. I'm going to have some oysters.
I'll get the Alka-Seltzer ready.
Yeah. So we're going to have some, I think, a leisurely day today. But some really good views already. It was a lovely morning. It was quite chilly and the sun was out, but very nice. It's now kind of...
It was nice to see Edinburgh kind of before the tourists descended. I know we are a tourist, I do realise that. But it was just nice to have that hour just of kind of stillness.
Yeah. And then it was weird, the minute we got on the bus, the people started appearing out of nowhere. And that was about 10 o'clock.
Food.
So we're going to have some food and then we're going to get the bus. So we're going to give you a bit of a room tour now. It's quite a big room. I'm going to flip the camera. Wow. To do full room tour of the Hotel du Vin in Edinburgh, we have wardrobe number 1 with minibar, teas, coffees, some glasses, hair dryers, towels, safe, big wardrobes with lots of stuff, a ginormous bed, which I'm assuming is queen size, queen. Some little tea, coffee machine making things here, which is all very nice. Some snacks, which I don't think are complimentary. Little mini balcony, typical Edinburgh weather. That's where I'm going to end up in about an hour's time. There is and a little St. Carol's. And just to put a bit of perspective, the shower is down the back of a corridor. So yeah. So we're going to relax for a little while, probably snooze, because we need to catch up on the sleep that we didn't have on the sleeper train. And then we're going to go have a very nice meal. So we'll see you after sleep. We just had the most amazing nap ever, and I just had the most amazing bath ever. And now we're going to go for some food.